This hack literally made me realize that replacing fans with food is 10 out of 10 I would recommend. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today I'm getting you ready for the big game. That's why today's video is all about Super Bowl hacks. Unfortunately, my team isn't in the Super Bowl this year, but you know what? I still like to rep it. Even though your team isn't on it, the Super Bowl is just an excuse to eat food and make adorable hacks. Let's get our head in the game, team. It's time to hack your Super Bowl. We have the snack stadium. It's literally a mini stadium of audience of food. Super on brand, super cute, and you can just refill it because it's reusable. One side represents one team on the Super Bowl, the other side represents the other, and whatever team that the person shows up supporting, they can only eat that side. I think that's like an easy way to just like keep your food to yourself. Let's snack it. For this DIY, you'll need 3 20x30 foam core boards, white duct tape, large straws, bendy straws, and toy wheels. First, cut 2 of your foam core boards. Next, use the duct tape to tape them into a stadium shape. You can do any stadium you'd like. Tape up any openings in your walls. You don't want any snacks leaking out. Place your stadium sides on top of a piece of foam board and tape it down. Lastly, make your goalposts using your straws and wheels. Now, decorate it and fill it with snacks. Get your super snack on! Super Bowl Sunday is the second largest food consumption day of the year. I mean, obviously, second to Thanksgiving. It makes sense because I would literally eat this entire thing by myself. That is it for my game plan for you guys today. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Naima Matthews. She said that my glitter sparks are battle scars from my hacks fighting back. And I was like, you are so correct. I got 2 right here. I'm ready for the game. I hope I prepared you for the game. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. And make sure to hit that bell if you want to be notified. Good game, hackers. GoldieBlox signing off. Bonus hack, hit the subscribe button. That's it. So easy. And now you get super cool DIYs every Friday.